In this video, we'll explore how to create the outline or hollow text effect in Canva using the background remover and text effect tools. Go ahead and place a blank design in the Canva workspace. Next, upload your image or choose one from Canva's photo app. Then click on the Edit button in the toolbar and select Background Remover to remove the image's background. Resize and place your image. Next, click on the background circle here to select a background color. You can use either a gradient or a basic color, whichever suits your style. Next up, we need to add our text. And for this tutorial, we're using Anton. Enlarge the text and center it on your canvas. Click on Duplicate Text Box here in the toolbar. Then open the Effects tab. Select Hollow Effect and adjust the thickness to 11 or any value that looks right for your design. Align the original and hollow text layers so they are centered and positioned on top of each other. Next, go over here and click on Position. Click on Layers and arrange the layers so the image is placed above the full text layer, but below the hollow text. The hollow text is at the top. Adjust the size and placement of your image so that it fits within the text and allows both the full text and hollow text to remain visible. Here is the final version of our image. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.